Here we've got Huawei P40 Lite, and let me show you how to use Recorder on the following device. So at first you have to locate all the tools that you have. Here they are. And now just pick Recorder. And all you have to do to record somebody or something is just to tap on this switcher. And as you can see now, it's being recording. Here we've got the time. You can pause it. So if you click on pause, then you will be able to resume it by tapping on play. And if you would like to permanently stop it, just tap on the stop icon right here. And as you can see, here is your recording. It's over here in the library. If you would like to play it, just tap on play. We can volume it up a bit, but it recorded us correctly.
And if you would like to permanently stop.
And that's it. Now we record a new one. If you'll go back, you can smoothly delete the recordings by holding it for a while. You can mark them and then tap on delete. Obviously, you can also share them with your friends if you want to, or just listen to them whenever you need to. And this is it. This is how you can record something in your Huawei P40 Lite. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.